Is she light skin or dark skin? Kilo bone or kilo dark beauty?
She's yellow bone.
Okay. How long have you guys been together?
We've been together for about 3 years now.
About 3 years.
Yeah.
Okay. When last did you see her?
I was with her yesterday.
Okay. What is her name?
Petunia.
Petunia. Okay. Are you sure?
Yeah, I am sure.
Is that the only relationship you are in?
Huh?
Is that the only relationship you are in?
Yeah, I'm only dating one person.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Njani?
I'm good. How are you?
Ngiyaphila.
Who's this?
Ukhuluma no-Aphile la.
Happy.
Yeah.
How are you? Happy?
Ngiright.
Alright. Alright. Alright.
What's going on there? Please explain.
Sorry?
What are you doing with this guy now?
Bayangibuza phela abathi umuntu wami.
I'm sure most of you didn't hear what we were talking about with that.
Okay. So umuntu wakho utsho no Petunia. So need two.
Siba ungaki
Is
kwena?
temp. What is happening? Is temp or what?
No, listen.
Siba ungaki?
It's only you. The thing is, this one of Puchinia, it's not serious.
It's not serious.
Yeah.
So bayadlala. So it's
Oh.
friends with benefits or it's yeah.
Niyafletha kahle kahle.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
one
man.
is just someone I met at work.
For 3 years.
Nothing serious about it.
For 3 years, ke?
Huh?
For 3 years.
Not really, just that ish. You know, when you are at work and things happen, and then, you know I love you. Let's not mind you.
Or mhlambe yena ukupha kamnandi. Yimi engazi.
Not really.